Shrestha Nutrition Private Limited. Poultry farming is one of the major supplementary occupations of farming. The rising demand for chicken meat and eggs have made poultry farming a prominent and profitable occupation and industry. Shrestha Nutrition Private Limited provides nutritious and healthy poultry feed, which is the most important component of poultry farming. Shrestha Nutrition Private Limited, housed at Nagaruru in Bengaluru, started its operations in the year 2012. It assures the usage of modern technology, innovative thinking, and superior quality. It is an ISO 9000-2015 certified company.
Build the organization by innovation and trust of the customers. Today we stand one of the top companies in the field of poultry feed.
D.C. Ramakrishna, K.R. Shivashankar, K. Sunil Shetty, and P. Mohan Naidu are the directors of the company.
State-of-the-art production facilities for quality and timely production.
Shrestha Nutrition incorporates research, testing, and training at every stage in the hands of experienced and enthusiastic employees. The company assures usage of superior quality of cereals and grains necessary for the chicken. These are tested in laboratories and then sent for processing. Hence, the company is fulfilling the needs of the customers. As a manufacturer of poultry feed rich in vitamins, minerals, and necessary nutrition, Shrestha Nutrition is stretching out its reach to the whole of South India.
The benefit of Shrestha Chikrambal: better digestibility, accurate body weight, uniformity of the chicks, and less mortality.
The poultry feeds necessary for broiler feed, layer feed, and specialized chick feed are available in the company at an affordable cost. This makes Shrestha Nutritions a consumer-friendly company. Shrestha Nutrition manufactures poultry feed in 4 sections based on the feed necessary for chicken from birth to a period of 35 to 40 days, which ensures a healthy weight of the chicken, resulting in maximum profit for the farmers.
Our feed known for highly uniform, crumble and pellet particle size.
Shrestha Nutrition Private Limited is one among the most trusted and popular companies in the field of poultry feed. Buy Shrestha Nutrition Poultry Feed and you are assured of profit. Shrestha Nutritions Private Limited, feed right, reap profit.